What's up, you guys? I have been living in a 650 square foot studio apartment for the past year right here in Chicago, and the time has officially come where I am moving out. Now, this studio was great, it was perfect, it was everything I'd hoped for and more. Obviously, moving is a very stressful time. I remember searching for apartments, and there's so many different factors that you want to play into finding your perfect apartment. So blessed and grateful that I was able to find quite literally the perfect studio for me. I work down here, so living down here was kind of a must for me. And I just want to show you guys what I did with my space being in a 650 square foot studio apartment. Now, obviously, that's quite big for a studio apartment. There was a lot of other apartments that I had toured that were a lot smaller and even charging more than I was paying for here. To let you guys know, I paid $16.50 to live here. The apartment was great. The only reason I'm moving is that I'm going to be moving a little bit closer to where I work, closer to the gym I go to, just an overall better neighborhood. I'm currently living in Lakeview, so now that I'm moving out, I thought it's the perfect time to give you guys my own little tour. Okay, so walking into my apartment is my foyer. This was really nice because it really split up the space and made it seem more like a one bedroom rather than a studio. On the right there, you see the pictures on the wall. On the left, I have a little entryway table that I would decorate for each holiday. These are my two huge storage closets. They are completely identical on both sides. I only opened one of them to show you guys. Right across from that is my walk-in closet. This is where I stored all of my clothes, my shoes, my hats, my bags, belts, accessories, etc. On the back of this door here, I have a little whiteboard calendar to help me keep track of my work events, meetings, and my appointments of everyday life. Right connected to my walk-in closet was my bathroom. Nothing special here, just wanted to show you guys. The shower is a shower and a tub, so that's also nice. Connected from my bathroom and walk-in closet is the main area. As you can see this overview here, we have my kitchen nook right to the left. I have a pretty small kitchen table that only seats two, but it's the perfect amount to fit in this space. And then you can see my bar cart looking pretty empty right now. On top of the bar cart, I have my record player and my grandpa's mandolin in the back there. Moving on over, you can see my plants. This is a really nice addition. I love plants, but I suck at taking care of them. And moving along, you can see my main seating area with all of my couches, my coffee table, my chairs. I have a TV that I really did not use too often. And then this right here is my Murphy bed, another great aspect to the space that makes it seem a lot more big than it is. I definitely should not have let it slam that hard. Sorry to my downstairs neighbors. The Murphy bed and the storage around it came with the apartment as well. And then here we see another little overview until we get into my kitchen. As you enter the kitchen, you can see the windows go all the way around. You have a nice view out to the lake there in the front. The kitchen is all vintage from the 1960s. It had never been updated, which I actually really love. You can see my microwave on top of the fridge, the clock on the wall, and then walking back out into the main space, this really gives you a great idea of how large the studio actually is. Walking back into my living room here, you can see a better close-up of all my furniture and how much you can really fit here.